Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy messy bun hairstyle using just 2 braids and 2 twists. To start, we're going to section out the front of the hair from the top of the head to just behind the ear and clip this out of the way for later. Do this on both sides of the head. Then I'm going to gather the crown section of the hair and we're just going to pop this into a ponytail. Apply some texture spray on the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then gently pinch and pull at the hair for some more messy volume. Divide all that hair in half, and working on the left hand side, I'm just going to do a simple 3-strand braid all the way down to the end and tying it off. Repeat on the right hand side. Then we're going to just add a little bit more of that texture spray to each braid, and using your fingers gently pinch and pull at each stitch of that braid to make it more voluminous. Do this on both braids. Now I'm going to take that left hand braid and bring it over to the right hand side and just tuck the ends underneath and secure it to the head on the right hand side using a couple of pins. I've also slipped a couple of bobby pins through the centre of the braid, and we're going to repeat it on the right hand side, so we're going to bring it up and to the left hand side, tuck your ends underneath and then secure that braid to the head using as many pins as you need. Release those front sections down, and I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face. With the rest of the hair, just split this in half and wrap the sections around one another to create a twist. Then we're going to loosen up that twist again by pinching and pulling on the edges at the top and the bottom. And I'm just going to wrap the ends around my fingers to create a loop, and then just tuck it behind the braid on the right hand side and secure with a couple of pins. Then repeat on the right hand side. So leave a piece of hair out to frame the face, split the section in half and create your twist, and then pinch and pull that twist apart. Wrap the very ends around your fingers and tuck it behind that twist we've just done, and then secure with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.